Welcome back to the Beef and Barnzy channel. This isn't going to be a real talk review. This time we're going to do a match and we're going to find out if I can beat a left-hander. But my special guest today is...
Ta-da!
So, I'm not going to let him throw it like he wants to throw it. He's got to throw a backup ball.
Watch out. I haven't thrown I've thrown one practice shot.
That had some smoke on it too.
Come on. They don't want it.
Nope.
Dad just threw a 72 bagger on my channel. If you want to go watch that, we did a break 800 series. Best ball mulligan. It's really fun. Yeah, go watch it. I almost crashed out.
Oh boy, that's got to go a lot.
Oh. If we get on his channel and he can't strike.
He iced me.
I iced you. You set it up.
I know, it took me too long. Oh. Well, for those of you that watch the Real Talk review, you know this ball it's a monster. NEX 248055018. This thing hooks a bunch. Gives you some of the teeth of the Ion Max, but it gives you way more down lane motion. That is ridiculously gross. Oh.
Good luck beating that one. That one, I might have to steal that one and post that to like the YouTube. I got hey, Stu, you hear me? I got copyright on that one. I'm stealing that.
Oh.
Just kidding.
It's my bird dog.
Starting hook early now?
Oh.
Now that we've bowled 3 games on it?
Yeah, I had to chase you, so this is my tour version of the house shot now.
Yeah, watch out.
That worked out perfect.
Watch out.
That was superior camera work.
Oh, I walked right into it, didn't I?
Yeah.
Don't worry, guys. It was 10 back.
It sounded like it.
I was trying to walk out of the way. And then
Yeah, I know it. Yeah, I didn't.
I walked into the way, I guess.
Oh boy. Did it again. Oh!
Man.
Here we go.
I literally saw that one pick up and go forward and then try and hook again.
Yeah, I busted right through the blow up from the previous video.
The previous shots I threw, I didn't bowl very well. All right. Hook a lot. I still have some work to do. Not quite perfected the backup ball.
Not quite at Carl Eklund range.
Ow.
Might be my only chance of beating a left-hander here. I don't know.
You should have just got Troy.
Huh.
It hooks a lot on my side for me. Dad, what's your layout?
5 by 5 by 2.5. Real strikes, brother. Real strikes. That's right.
Take the camera.
Well,
Trips the 2.
ladies and gentlemen, we have a lead change.
I mean, it's just lucky. I don't even.
Just a little, there's a little light shaker and chip 4. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That was actually, it's just too early. I mean, for this place,
You should be able to make this.
I should be able to.
If you can get it to the right side of the 3-pin. A good try.
If only I could get a break today. All right, come on, Luck Box. It's your day.
I guess I'll move off that last one. A couple. Oh boy.
Welcome to what I saw.
Guess which house shot doesn't have a lot of oil left in fourth arrow, I guess. I don't get in there very often. Whew.
Welcome to the smoke.
That was a little smoke there.
He tried to chop it too.
You know.
Tried to chop it.
Okay, well, closer than it was. 25 pins through 5 frames.
Is it bad I want a ball change? I'm moving one right and going slower. I gotta stop walking it out, huh?
No, you're fine.
Oh, okay.
I got far enough away that time.
I just made a move as a left-hander. I feel kind of, I don't know, weird. I had to move. I didn't have to move.
All right. Well,
Eh.
3 more.
Is that all you got?
That's more than I got.
That was pretty good.
This is professional camera work. You can only get this on the Beef and Barnzy channel.
It doesn't get any better, so make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, that's all I had.
So Barnzy 1.0 versus 2.0. But
Oh boy.
it's my channel, so I cheat and I make him throw a backup ball.
That was a lot of rotation.
That was a bunch. That one went sideways through him. When you throw it backup, does it change your layout?
Yeah, it changes a little bit. My track actually gets better. It actually gets better.
What's better? What do you mean better?
Like it gets higher.
Oh.
I guess. My hand gets in a better spot.
All right. Maybe I should try that.
I think you should keep doing what you're doing. Just my take, though.
Yeah. I'm a house shot hero now.
That's all you do.
That's all I got. 25, but it's close.
Gotta move again.
268 max score, 243.
It's my world. He's living in it. One for the good guys. Come on. Guys, don't worry. I know it stinks. I know it's not great. Work in progress. Oh my goodness.
I like that ball. I like it a lot.
Yeah, he randomly wanted to do another video after he shot 850. I don't understand why.
I like it a lot.
Guys, I feel like I'm getting used here. I don't know.
I don't really have that much interest in playing you on a fair field. So
You gotta take advantage of the days where I don't have it, right?
I 100%.
That's so mean. Hook a lot.
Oh,
Left side's walled. No wonder why.
what's Stu say? Taking advantage of your unfair advantages?
Yeah. Whoops, didn't mean to stop it.
Now, welcome to the first ever edit on the Beef and Barnzy review.
The first ever edit. Yo, this is still a close match. Just so you know.
Man, is it? Is it?
No, not really. I really need.
Yeah, he needs to strike out to get me.
I really needed a miss there.
Probably. Really was most of a miss right there. Thought that might be a little steep. They didn't have any trouble at all.
I figured out once I went Brooklyn, I just have to throw it.
Oh, just there?
Yeah, just to it. I don't actually know how much hold is on that side of the lane.
But it won't go in, so.
Well, I'm used to the right side where it's just infinite friction at 7/8. Instead, there's just like,
Yeah.
nah.
$232.
Can't be mad about it. I mean, you can be, but. So just too much tuck. Whoops.
Second one in the 10th would have mattered.
What the heck? You're just playing with me.
Me?
I would never.
No.
I made it.
Ooh. What was the final score?
There's no way that mattered.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Somebody scored more.
I hate you. Physics blackout. Say what you need to say so I can go home.
Physics blackout. It's coming December 13th. Watch this. Like, subscribe. You can watch another match on the Beef and BArnzy channel where we try and shoot 800 with the physics blackout. Get yours. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you soon.